What if I told you, deep in Karnataka's forest, there is a lake so still, so hidden, that even Google Maps can't do it justice. This is Gundal Lake, a quiet reservoir with royal history, a 60 plus year legacy, and more peace that you can pack in a weekend. Let's take a journey not just to a lake but to a forgotten chapter of Karnataka. This lake wasn't born from nature. It was built by a man in 1965. Back then, Golden Lake was created as a reservoir under the guidance of the Mysore Maharaja's irrigation effort. A part of regions pushed to secure water for farming and villages around the Gundal Valley. The lake stores water from the Gundal River. Yes, there is a river with the same name flowing around the BR Hills. Here's the twist. Even though it's man-made, Gundal Lake feels wild, untouched, surrounded by thick forests. It reflects the sky like glass. No noisy crowds, no honking cars, just birds, wind, and the occasional forest guard on patrol. Because the lake sits right next to the BRT Tiger Reserve, that's why it's still so quiet. Very few know this place exists. Getting to Gundal Lake is a journey by itself. From Bangalore, it takes about 5 to 6 hours. You drive to Kanakpura, Kollegala, Elandur, then head towards Gundal Dam Road. There's no proper signage, just follow the trail through small villages. The road narrows as you go, trees grow tall, and finally the lake appears, almost like a secret revealed. And please note down that there will be no network also. If you're heading here, don't stop at just the lake. The whole area is a nature corridor. Nearby, you have got BR Hills, which is just 20 kilometers away. Then you got K. Goody Wilderness Camp inside BRT Tiger Reserve. And if you love offbeat places, Elandur Palace and the Forest Watchtower are hidden gems. These are the attractions within 40 kilometers radius. Bonus, forest stay plus safari options are also available at BRT. few things that make Gundal special. The water here is clean and still, almost mirror-like. It's a man-made lake that blends perfectly with nature. It has survived for over 60 years with minimal tourist damage. Wildlife sightings aren't rare. Elephants, deer, birds, you may spot them near the waterline. And most importantly, no entry fees and no chaos, just peace. Best time to visit Gundal Lake is from October to March. That's when the water is full, skies are blue and forests are green. Avoid peak summer, it gets dry, dusky and the lake shrinks. So here's how you plan it. Leave early in the morning from Bangalore. Pack your food and water. There's no shops nearby. So fuel cost is around 700 to 1000 rupees. Ideal for bikers, road trippers, nature lovers. Don't expect crowds. It's still unexplored. Bonus, you can stay overnight in BR Hills and then visit the lake next morning. So budget for a solo trip bike will be around 600 to 800 rupees. Sometimes the most beautiful places aren't on a list. They don't have ratings, they don't need likes. Gundal Lake is one of them. A lake built by history, guarded by forests, and still untouched by tourism. If you ever want a place where time slows down, come here. Just don't forget to take your peace back with you. If you love this offbeat spot, like the video, drop a comment and subscribe for more hidden gems around Karnataka.